Stunning ocean access 3/2 Hubs ON wide canal west/desirable east exposure in the backyard. 35 to 40 minutes TO Intracoastal waterway on the Dania Cutoff Canal, completely remodeled, gorgeous and tropical backyard, huge screen patio, roof 7 years new dock, 50 feet, seawall reinforced, 65 feet, crown moldings, air conditioner new, impact sliders, laundry room, butler's pantry, with tile through, outside tiki bar. Landscaping is impeccable, kitchen appliances 3 years, 1 bridge 13-foot AT low tide, all ON .295 acre LOT. Your oasis is waiting.